Tashtale. My name is Sutin Lamo. I was born and brought up in Bir, Himachal Pradesh, and I am an XTCV student, and currently I'm living in Nancy, France. Personally, when I heard that, when I came to know that Gary Roma is running for Sikyong, I was really thrilled because being the person that she is, she has always been so inspiring and so motivating and so grounded at the same time. And being a woman, she has the upper hand of being more compassionate and empathetic. I have had the opportunity to meet her in a couple of occasions, and she has always felt so welcoming and so considerate and so vigilant that it makes you feel secure. Normally, I am not that much hands-on in Tibetan constitution or Tibetan politics, but I am a first-time voter. But after learning that she is running for Sikyong, I was obviously very interested and wanted to be a part of it because it's history being made. She's the first female candidate, and hopefully if she wins, she will be the first female Sikyong. Years before, the world was very sensitive to the idea of female leaders, but eventually by 20th century, I think the world has been more welcoming and more accepting of female leaders because female leaders have proven themselves on several occasions that they are as capable as men, if not more. And I think we as the modern Tibetan society that we claim to be should embrace that as well and should welcome her as our first female Sikyong. And I think that will not only give her the spotlight but also give her the importance and give our agenda an importance, which is the well-being of Tibetan across the world and also independence and freedom of Tibet. I think she's very good at her job. She has more than 30 years of experience in Tibetan politics, and she was the former home minister of our government in exile, and she has always outperformed everyone and has outperformed her potential, and I feel like she will prove very beneficial to our cause or our agenda of independence and freedom of Tibet.